Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here metric measurement. Previous year we learned their metric measurement. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That also we learn in previous year. Okay, now we learn here metric measurement and place values. Metric measurement and place values. The system of metric measurement is used over the world. This metric measurement also same in the over world. Okay. There are basic three units: gram for a weight, meter for a length, and liter for capacity. This one also we learn in 3rd standard also and 4th standard also. Now see here is measurements given in there. See, this one is a place values. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, tenth, hundredth and thousand. After ones, right side, that one is a smaller unit and left side is their bigger unit. Okay, now see, ones have standard units: metric, prefix. See here, deca, hecto, and kilo. Deca, hecto, kilo, and here deci, centi, milli. Deci, centi, milli. How to come? 1 multiplied by 10, you got there deca. 1 multiplied by 100, hecto. 1 multiplied by 1000, kilo. All of you understand? Now length how to measure in meter, centimeter na? That one, see, standard unit which? Meter. Then they come to the tens, that time decameter. Then comes hundreds, you call that hectometer. And they comes in thousand, you call that one kilometer. That small means, meter means 100 centimeter, but meter is standard unit na. There tenth decimeter, you call that one decimeter. Then hundredth you call that centimeter, and thousandth you call that millimeter. Okay, next one for the weight: gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram, decigram, centigram, milligram, liter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Then deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Okay, all of you understand? Now see, units appearing to left, the standard units are greater. This one left side are greater, right side is a smaller. That also we said starting video. The value of place is 10 times the value of the place its right, and 10th time value of the place value 2 is left right. Okay, 10th 10, 100th 100, 1000th 1000. All of you understand now? Now see here, open your textbook, write the name of units, complete the table. Okay, see here, weight. Here where is weight? Here. What they want? Biggest unit what? This one is the smallest unit and this one is the biggest. Which is the biggest unit? Kilogram. Right there. kilogram. Standard unit which? See, gram. And smaller unit which? Milligram. Milligram. Length, where is length? Here. Standard biggest unit which? Kilometer. Standard unit which? Meter. And smaller unit which? Millimeter. Capacity. Standard unit? Liter. Standard unit where you write? Here, here. Liter. Here kiloliter. Kiloliter. And here milliliter. Right there milliliter. Next one question which? Complete the strip of metric measurement uses short forms. Length. Length kilometer, hectometer, length kilometer, then hectometer, HM, then decameter, dam, then standard unit meter, then decimeter, dm, centimeter, cm, short form is there, milliliter, mm. Weight. Weight have gram. Gram for G. Decagram. Decagram for dag. Then hectogram. Hg. Kilogram. Kg. Decigram. Dg. Centigram. Cg. Milligram. mg. Capacity. Liter, decaliter, dal, then hectoliter, HL, kiloliter, KL, and here deciliter, DL, centiliter, CL, and milliliter, ML. All of you understand? Understand now? There is chart, see. Here also chart. You behind this one chart. That time you write this one and this one. Okay. Next one what? Fill in the blanks. 1 kg is equal to how many Hg? Hg means 1 kg is equal to how many kg? Hg. Hg means hectogram. Hectogram. 1 kg means 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 10 Hg. See how to count. Thousand gram means, see here we write here kg, Hg, and then dg, dag, then dg, cg, and mg. Okay, this one gram, 1000 gram, then 10 hectogram, then decagram, which one? 100, because of this is a 10, this is a 100, and this one is a 1000. You multiply here, you got here 1000. You multiply here 10, you got here 1000. See, 10 multiplied by 100, you got here 1000. 100 multiplied by 10, got here also 1000. You got here 1000 gram. You got here 1000 gram. Standard unit you got there na? All of you understand? Next one. Then here also how to come 10,000. 10,000, then 1 lakh, and then 10 lakh. Why here? See here, divided by 10, you got here 1000. Divided by hundreds, you got here 1000. Divided by thousands, you got here 1000. So divided by 10 thus means divided by 10. 100 thus means divided by 100. And 1000 thus means divided by 1000. This one used for all these things. All these things means for length, weight and capacity. Okay. Next one what? Dag 100, dag 1000 gram. Here 10,000 dg. Okay. Here 1 lakh cg. Here 10 lakh mg. Then 1 hg means 10 dg. 100 gram. 100 gram means 10 dg. Here 1 hg and here 0.1 is coming. Okay. Then next one, how many dg? 1000 because of 10 thus this one. Then 10,000. Then 1 lakh. Okay. 1 lakh is equal to 10 gram. 1 lakh is equal to 10 gram. Then 100 dg. Then 1000 cg. Cg means centigram. Then 10,000 mg. Next one, 1 g means 1 gram means 10 dg, 10 decagram. Then 100 centigram and 1000 milligram. 1 dg is equal to 10 centigram and 100 milligram. 1 cg equal to 10 mg gram. This one is a, you see here gram is standard unit. You see that one and that one you convert there. Okay, how to convert I show you. Same as it is kilogram, kilometer and kiloliter, kiloliter also. See, 1 kilometer is equal to how many hectometer? 10 hectometer. Then decameter 100. Because of 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then 10 hectometer 100 and here also 1000. Then right here 10,000. 10,000. Okay, 10,000 decimeter. 10,000 decimeter. 1 hm means 10 decameter. Okay, 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. 100 meter. And here 1000 decimeter and 10,000 centimeter. 1 dam. 1 dam means 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter, 100 decimeter, then 1000 centimeter, then 10,000 millimeter. Question number 5 is your homework. Okay. This one chart also you beheaded there. This one chart also you beheaded there. Okay. Thank you.